Hi, I'm Allison Walther with Confluent. In this lesson, we'll be talking about splitting streams with ksqlDB. ksqlDB's Create Stream As feature allows us to create many different views of our data. We can create streams from a subset of events in another stream, or from a combination of events in multiple streams and/or tables. This feature makes it easy to split a stream of events based on some criteria. Here, we create one stream with a select that is only getting US orders, and we create another stream with a select for UK orders. Now, US and UK specific applications can read from streams that are custom built for them and not have to worry about filtering out events that don't apply. That's a wrap on this lesson. Let's jump into splitting streams in an exercise.